Okay, so this is the final video. On this one I want to talk about destroying objects if you collide with another object. Okay, so let's destroying objects and then, yeah. So first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here, I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to build a brick wall. So just build a wall right here. Then I'm going to go here. I want to find my brick texture. Right click on that, save image as, save, come back into 3ds Max, hit M for the material editor, find a new material, click on the little box next to diffuse, double click on bitmap, click on downloads, drag that in there, and show. Alright, now we need to export this as an FBX file. I'll call this brick wall, save, make sure that I embed the media, click OK. Now I'm going to go into Unity. I'm going to go to, well, first let me go File, Save Scene right on here, and then I'm going to go to my third level, and then let's find where that ring is. There it is. Okay, and then I go to Assets, Import New Asset, find that brick wall. Okay, perfect. That is imported. Now I can drag that in there, and I'll make it bigger. Okay. And what I'm going to do is, let's make this even bigger. Okay, bigger. I'm going to actually have 3 brick walls in here, so I'm going to have a brick wall right here. Okay, I'm going to have another brick wall. Just drag that in there. Make this bigger. Let's rotate this thing. Let's kind of bring this over. Basically, I'm just walling off. Basically, just walling off the key. There we go. Let's bring another brick wall in over there. Let's make it bigger. Okay. There we go. Let's make this bigger, like that. And the last thing I need to do is I'm going to add one more in there. Make it bigger. There we go. Rotate. Move it in. Bring this up. And then Alright, so now all of these I need to add a mesh collider to. So go to Physics, Mesh Collider. Click on this one, Add Component, Physics, Mesh Collider. Click on this one, Add Component, Physics, Mesh Collider. Then click on this one, Add Component, Physics, Mesh Collider. So now when I play this game, I should see that ring inside of there, but then there's no way for me to be able to access it. It's behind all these brick walls. So I can try all my different brick walls. I tried that one. Let's just try going around. I don't think that there's any way for me to jump up. Nope. And then let's just try this back one just really quick. Nope, can't get in there. Okay, so basically I cannot access that ring. So let's talk about 2 things. Number 1, I'm going to add in here another smaller ring, kind of right here, and I'm going to make it bigger. And then I'm going to rotate it. Alright, and then I'm going to bring this up. Okay, So I have this other smaller ring right there that, let's see, my person should be able to see. Oh, where's my person at? Main camera's right there. That ring, let's make it a little bit bigger. There it is right there. Okay, so it kind of blends in, but that's okay, because maybe I kind of want it a little bit hard to find. Alright, so I got this ring right here, and I'm going to move it down. Okay, so the first thing that I want is when you touch this ring, just destroy the ring. Okay, so how are we going to do that? Well, I go to the Google Classroom, and I look for code for final, and then I find the destroy object if you touch code right here. So I can just copy this code right here, copy, and then other.tag player. So we want to make sure that our main camera is titled player, which it is. I'm going to create a new object, or a new JavaScript, call it destroy. Spelled destroy wrong, it doesn't matter. This is a weird destroy script. Okay, I just go ahead and paste that in there, hit Control S, and then I want to add that to this ring. So I want to add this script that I just made to that ring, and then I need to also add a component in here, physics, mesh collider, and then I don't think that I need to do is trigger, but we'll see. So let's come on over here. There should be a ring over here somewhere. It's kind of hidden. There it is. And then if I touch the ring right now, it's not destroying. Need is trigger. Let's see here. There we go. So I needed to make sure is trigger was checked. Now that I've now that I hit that, the coin is gone. So now what if I want, when I hit that coin, not only does the coin disappear, but also like the wall, this front wall disappears. Okay, so the way that I would do that is I need to come back into here and then like destroy other object you touch. I need to find this code right there, and I need to copy this. So I'm going to copy that. And then I need to come in back in here, and I'm going to create another script. Okay, and then I'm going to rename this one new behavior. It's fine. And I need to paste this script in there. So this is if player, and then it'll destroy the game object wall. So I need to save this. File, save. Okay. Then this script, I need to put it onto this ring right here. So when I collide with this ring, so I drag this in here, when I hit this ring, this script is going to execute as well. And I need to make sure that that is trigger is on. And then the wall that I want to destroy, I need to add the tag wall to. So right there, I'm just going to add a tag, and I'm going to call it wall. Okay. And then I need to come back and click on this again, and right now it's untagged, and I just need to make sure that that tag is wall. So now when I play this game, I come on over here, I find that ring, touch the ring destroys, and then what also destroys is the front of this wall. So now I'm able to get in here, and now I can restart. So let's save this, go File, Save Scene, and let's kind of play this whole game here. So I'll start with level 1, play level 1. So level 1, I got trees, I got a skybox, I got terrain, I got everything. Level 1 is pretty easy. I just kind of run to find a ring. As soon as I find the ring, I touch it, it goes to level 2. Level 2 is a little bit more difficult. There's some lava. If I touch the lava, it restarts the level. So I just keep restarting. But what I need to do is jump over the lava and touch the ring. Once I do that, I go to level 3. Now level 3 is like this giant ring is behind all these different boxes right here. So, and I can't get in there. But what I can do is I can find this ring right here, and once I touch that ring disappears, it gets destroyed. And what also gets destroyed is the front of the game, and then that lets me in here, and I collide with that ring, and it just restarts. So that's it. That is all of the elements of this game. Make sure that you check the rubric. You're going to have 8 different objects. I think I only have 1, 2, 3 objects right there. My ring, my lava ring, and my brick wall. You have to have a total of 8 objects in this. But yeah, so if you build something similar to this using the scripts that I showed you how to use, you will absolutely be successful in this project. Let me know if you have